Hello dear students, today we will start fourth chapter of our book Flamingo, The Rat Trap. It's by Selma Lagerlöf. Selma Lagerlöf was a Swedish author and teacher. She was a novelist who in 1909 became the first woman and also the first Swedish writer to win the Nobel Prize for Literature. This story, The Rat Trap, is a beautiful story which deals with the themes of love, compassion, the importance of human dignity, and the transformative power of love. The story is set amidst the mines of Sweden, rich in iron ore, which figure large in the history and legends of that country. The story is told somewhat in the manner of a fairy tale.
Once upon a time, there was a man who went around selling small rat traps of wire. He made them himself at odd moments from the material he got by begging in the stores or at the big farms. But even so, the business was not especially profitable. So he had to resort to both begging and petty thievery to keep body and soul together. Even so, his clothes were in rags, his cheeks were sunken, and the hunger gleamed in his eyes. So once there was a man who used to sell a small rat traps made of wire. Rat traps are a kind of cage which is used to trap a rat. These rat traps were made by him in his free time. So this man, he used to make these rat traps in his free time. He used to collect the material required by begging from stores or big farms. Still, his business was not earning him any profit. His business was not especially profitable, means there was no profit in his business. Therefore, he had to beg or steal in order to survive. This is a phrase, to keep body and soul together. So the meaning of this idiom or phrase, to keep body and soul together, means to survive. His clothes were old and torn. Rags means torn. His cheeks were lowered inside due to malnutrition, and one could easily see hunger in his eyes. No one can imagine how sad and monotonous life can appear to such a vagabond who plods along the road left to his own meditations. But one day this man had fallen into a line of thought which really seemed to him entertaining. So no one can imagine how sad and monotonous life can appear to such a vagabond who plods along the road. So vagabond, a wanderer who doesn't stay at one place, the one who is wandering from one place to another. So this vagabond, this rat trap seller, he was also leading a very sad and dull life. Monotonous means dull, boring. But one day this man had fallen into a line of thought. So one day this vagabond, this person who was leading a very boring life, he was in meditation in deep thoughts. So in his deep thoughts, he thought which really seemed to him entertaining. In his deep thought, he got one idea, and this idea he found very interesting. What was that idea? He had naturally been thinking of his rat traps when suddenly he was struck by the idea that the whole world about him, the whole world with its lands and seas, its cities and villages, was nothing but a big rat trap. So this man, while he was in his work, he got an idea that these rat traps which he was selling, so it's nothing. It's equal to this whole world. The whole world with its lands and seas, its cities and villages is just like this rat trap, and we humans are rats. It had never existed for any other purpose than to set baits for people. Baits is just like some temptation. Food which is placed on a hook to trap a rat, or the cow or goat which is kept to tempt a lion or tiger during hunting. So these are bait. So temptation we can say. So he says that it had never existed for any other purpose than to set baits for people. Means it is for this world. In this world, we people are tempted. It was nothing but a temptation.